So propeller cleaning is very important. They should be cleaned periodically to ensure the propeller retains its integrity. So perhaps maybe on a weekly basis, the propeller should be washed down. It removes any dirt that has built up on the propeller, and that will recover some of the aerodynamic efficiency on the propeller. It also stops the build-up of dirt that might cause corrosion. You know, if we had some muck or that built up on the prop, you know, the water would be absorbed into the dirt, and that water then would just lie on the propeller, and it would lead to corrosion. So it's a good idea to clean it to recover aerodynamic efficiency and to protect it against corrosion. The cleaning process normally involves washing with warm soapy water, then rinsing it with clean water and drying it with a cloth, and then applying a thin film of oil for metallic propellers, or if it's a wooden propeller you might put on some wax or something to help protect it. So yeah, cleaning is a very good way of preserving your propeller, and it also helps expose any defects. So if the aircraft is going to be going in for any sort of an inspection, the propeller will be cleaned, and it just enables cracks or nicks or scratches to be more easily found.